So look, if you're in the market for a classic car, or like that HHR, it's not really a classic yet, don't just look at barn finds and project cars. Consider going ahead and spending a little more on something that's been completely gone through already by someone who actually knew what they were doing. Because even at that higher price, I think in most cases, you're still getting a massive discount on what it would cost you to do that work yourself. So trust me, your future self and your bank account will thank you for it. Peter Von Panda, out.